Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your freelance business with QuickBooks, full guide step by step clearly. To scale your freelance business with QuickBooks, start by understanding your current financial situation. Gather all your financial documents, including invoices, receipts, and bank statements. Set up a QuickBooks account if you haven't already. Choose the right version of QuickBooks that fits your freelance needs. Once your account is created, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate to the Settings section to customize your preferences. Link your bank account to QuickBooks to automate transaction tracking. Begin inputting your existing client information into the system. Create profiles for each client to streamline invoicing and communication. Set up a recurring invoices feature for clients you bill regularly. Utilize the expense tracking tool to categorize your spending. Regularly update your expenses to maintain accurate financial records. Take advantage of the reporting features to gain insight into your income and expenses. Generate profit and loss statements to evaluate your financial health. Use the data from reports to identify areas for growth and investment. Set financial goals based on the reports generated from QuickBooks. Adjust your service offerings or pricing structures based on this analysis. Consider leveraging QuickBooks payroll features if you plan to hire help. Utilize time tracking tools within QuickBooks to maximize productivity. Invest in automation tools connected to QuickBooks to streamline workflows. Regularly review and reconcile your accounts to ensure accuracy. Stay updated with QuickBooks webinars and support resources for best practices. Network with other freelancers who use QuickBooks to exchange tips. Continuously adapt your strategies based on both your experiences and financial reports. Focus on building strong client relationships to encourage repeat business. Regularly assess your business growth to plan for future scaling. With dedication and the right tools, QuickBooks can significantly enhance your freelance business's efficiency and profitability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.